It is not the movement of the clock that produces the newness of life. It is the movement in our mind that produces the thought to generate a new life. It is also not the movement of time that a man would generate suicidal thoughts to take another life. It is the lost battle in a man's mind that result in him wanting to take his own life. Cho lâu yi từ hai tia, chỉ bỏ để đa chuyện chuyện kia. Ta xin nó của hai tia, bé tu bỏ để đa ta lời bé bé quấy giả lý thầu y. You see, just the other day I was on Facebook, and it was all over Facebook. Everybody was sharing it like it was something good. The post was about a murder-suicide case. A young couple who lost the battle due to lack of support, due to lack of awareness, due to lack of understanding, that caused thoughts to turn into emotions, creating energy, finally turning into actions, and resulting in such a sad situation. And because of this situation, because of the result that could have been prevented, because of this, 5 beautiful innocent children's life will be scarred, changed, traumatized, and forever they will always be known as the children of the 2 couple who suicide. Como sai Facebook, ni wada kulu como lo. Vì hạt tệ của nói tu nè qua, ilang nè qua đâu được tung sai. Cú nói tu nè tai qua đâu được tu vào. Vì nếu tu vào, tao muốn được tung sai tua. Tao gan ở trên tua được tu khơi. Còn nó chưa thơ thơ rồi. Ý là cho lâu hạt tệ đây đã. Còn nó do dâu của ta chỉ của tua. Chỉ của tua tú của mù. Tú của mù ta chỉ tu sinh sự quân gì. Lý do po ma ta niệm ma tua. Lý do nhá ma ta chính sai ma gì. Do cho lâu hai tiệt chỉ bỏ đây đa sự chuyện kỳ. Em bé tu bỏ đây đa ta là. Chả bé bé chuyển quay giả lý thổ y. Thôi cũng bỏ đại video nó nếu ở đâu cũng chỉ. Nếu ở đâu cũng bốc tơ. Nếu họ cũng tu share. Cũng tu share hai tiệt giả enjoy mua sự. Ở cho share. Chỉ nếu mà bỏ chơi rối là chỉ mong thế. Cũng tu share hai tiệt enjoy mua sự. Chỉ tu mình nhua. And what makes me so mad is not because of anger, but because of frustration, because of caring that all of these could have been prevented. If you would just take a moment and look back at these cases, you will realize to understand and seize that every case, they all have similar situations. All the events unfold the same way, leading to murder and suicide. How can we keep doing the same thing and expect a different result? When will we understand to see that the quality of our life is based on the quality of our communication? First start from within ourselves, the words and the thought that we communicate to ourselves. Because it is not the Hong Kong Mont Blanc, it is not the fancy house, it is not the money or the nice car. It is not any of that. It is the thought that you communicate to yourself that create the feelings and emotions and actions that you take. And whenever you take an action, it always generates a result. And that result is either empowering or disempowering, and that is based according to your decision. And that decision is what's gonna shape your destiny. And in this case, it leads to death, destruction in a family, heartbreak, sadness, a bad role model in society, a repeated pattern, a negative habit that keep being passed down from one generation to the next generation. It kept passing down from grandpa to father, father to son, and son to the next generation. But all of this could have been prevented if we were just to look deeper into what's causing them. And it starts in the mind. And with the understanding of how powerful and how strong our mind is, I dare you, I challenge you to look at the recent event, not just with your open eyes, but expand it with your open mind. And then you will see everything that I just mentioned before, that this is more than just a recent event. This is more than just a Facebook news feed. This is more than just a video on YouTube. This is life. And it involves more than just a couple that commit murders and suicide. It involves their children, it involves their parents, it involves their family, their community, it involves our society, our culture, our people. It is so much bigger than just a news feed or a video on YouTube. And I think that if it's something this big, it needs attention, it needs awareness, it needs acknowledgement. It needs support, it needs comfort, it needs understanding by providing the right information with facts, with cases, with event, with history, with the present, and prediction for the future. Because to succeed in life, we have to find out what works and do it that way, not the way that we think it should be. Because success leaves clues as well as failure, and so far all we see are just destruction.